Ever tried uploading a custom font or an unsupported file to WordPress only to get blocked? With FlyWP, you can enable unfiltered uploads easily. Let's get started. First, log into your FlyWP dashboard. Select your server and navigate to the site where you want to enable unfiltered uploads. Now let's access the WordPress core files. Go to the WP Config Manager under the Site Settings. This allows you to edit important files without needing external FTP access. Go to the Edit Manually option and click to open the file for editing. Now inside wp-config.php, look for the line that says, "That's all. Stop editing." Before this line, add the following code. You can easily find the code in our documentation and YouTube description that you can copy directly. After adding this, click Save Changes to update the file. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the media library and upload your custom font or unsupported file. This time it should upload successfully. For more details, check out the FlyWP documentation for comprehensive guides. And that's it. With FlyWP, you can now easily upload custom fonts and unsupported files in WordPress without any hassle.